Hi, this is Carlos Cousins, and the following is an ACT English question that is asking us to identify the best way of wording the highlighted sentence, the highlighted portion of a sentence in a passage. So here we have, since peroxide is destroyed by other honey constituents, an equilibrium level of peroxides occurs in diluted honey. So since this is a verb that's highlighted, we want to watch out for whether or not it's conjugated correctly. So let's figure this out. The clause here is starting with this comma and we want to make sure that the subject of the sentence matches this verb. So if we go from left to right and we stop at this verb, we know that going from left to right again, nearly always on the ACT, the first noun is going to give us a good indication of what the subject is. In this case, that noun from left to right, the first one is equilibrium. And is not quite a noun. Equilibrium is a noun. And this is describing a single level, which is our actual subject, the equilibrium level of peroxides. Peroxides isn't the subject of the sentence. What matters is that the equilibrium level of peroxides is doing something. And equilibrium level is in the singular, so the singular conjugation for to occur has an S at the end. So think about it this way. A person does, but two people do, right? A person or an event occurs. Two events occur. So a single one alone, is going to require that you have an S at the end of your verb. So occur can't be the right answer. Have occurred. So this would mean that what's happening has happened in the past. So that doesn't make sense because we're talking about today's baking. So that can't be correct. Are occurring. This would be okay except for the fact that occurring ends in ing, which is a gerund. And you don't want to have a gerund as a verb. You want to avoid these. The key term here is avoid. There will be many occasions in which the gerund will be the correct answer when used as a verb. Gerund meaning, I'm sorry, a verb ending in ing. But in cases where you have another alternative, a gerund is never the correct answer, so you definitely want to avoid this as the right answer. So this isn't correct because of that gerund. So the right answer will have to be occurs with an S because level, the equilibrium level, is singular. I hope that was helpful. Happy prepping.